So I just bought this thing. It's a 1990 325iX 4-door. It's a stick, but it's been converted. This was actually a car that I sold the manual swap parts for, and I'm told that the engine is bad. Oh yeah, she's sounding real bad. So apparently this was broken into, which I believe it was hot wired, and they drove it very overheated or something like that, and the engine is completely toast. So I'm actually going to take the engine, hopefully, from the Unicorn 2.0, that turbo iX that I had, which is super healthy, ARP studs and all that, and I'm going to pop it in this car, and then hopefully just sell it on to somebody that's going to use it. I guess I could consider parting it out, but the shell is actually really quite nice on this car. So I'd feel a little bad doing that, even though I'm the ultimate iX hater. Well, the new engine's in. The old engine, with a juicy hole on the side, is out. Just got it back together enough to try to start it.